Hey y'all, this is your girl Shanti, Journal Bay Refuge, and week 3 is here. It came by so quickly. We're going to be talking about overcoming fear of failure all this week. So 5 days, overcoming fear of failure, and finally taking action. Fear of failure keeps women so stuck. A lot of us, it keeps us stuck. It keeps us trapped in overthinking, procrastination, and playing small. So this week, we're going to dive deep into where that fear comes from and how it silently controls your life. And most importantly, how to break free from it once and for all. Because we got time to be scared. We got too much to do. All right. So, day one, here we go. The fear that is running your life and you don't even realize it. So let me ask you, have you ever stopped yourself from taking action because of that little voice in your head saying, what if I fail? That's happened to me several times. So you are not alone. Fear of failure is real. And for so many of us, it's the number one reason we stay stuck. But today, we're exposing that fear for what it really is, a liar. So let's talk about why fear of failure is running your life without you even realizing it. First, I want to let you know what fear of failure is. What is it? Fear of failure isn't just being scared to mess up. It goes way deeper than that. It's avoiding opportunities because you don't want to risk looking foolish. It's playing small because success would mean more responsibility. It's procrastinating because if you never start, you never have to fail, right? All right, so of course, I got some homework for you. Think about a time when you stopped yourself from going after something because you were afraid of failing. What did you tell yourself? Now that you're looking back, was the fear even real? Or was it just a story you created? So I'm going to keep it light today. I'm going to leave you with that. So if you're tired of letting fear hold you back, my self-paced course, Falling for My Damn Self, is designed to help you break free from self-doubt and start trusting yourself again, or start trusting yourself, period, if you've never have. So this course will help you to take action without second guessing yourself and put you first for once. So sign up today. Go to shantirefuge.com and sign up for the Falling for My Damn Self self-paced course. Until next time.